Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare copper versus stainless steel cookware. Copper is renowned for its exceptional heat conductivity, allowing for precise temperature control and rapid adjustments. This makes it a favorite for delicate sauces and high-skill cooking. Stainless steel, while not as conductive, excels at even heat distribution, ensuring your food cooks uniformly without unexpected hot spots. Both have unique advantages depending on your culinary needs. When it comes to durability, stainless steel is a clear winner. It's incredibly robust, resisting scratches and dents, and is generally dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Copper, on the other hand, is softer and more prone to damage. It also requires more careful hand washing and can tarnish, developing a beautiful but sometimes challenging patina that needs polishing to maintain its shine. Food safety is a crucial consideration. Copper can react with acidic ingredients, potentially imparting a metallic taste or even leaching into your food. For this reason, most copper cookware is lined with a non-reactive material like tin or stainless steel. Stainless steel, however, is completely non-reactive, making it a safe and versatile choice for cooking any type of food without concern for chemical interactions. Finally, let's talk about cost and aesthetics. Copper cookware is often a significant investment, reflecting its premium material and the artistry involved in its creation. It offers a stunning, classic look that can elevate any kitchen. Stainless steel is generally more budget-friendly, providing excellent performance without the higher price point. It boasts a sleek, modern appearance that fits well in contemporary kitchens, offering great value.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.